Aru di na go woke. Okodogu nwata na ya eze na nandi. Okwo kara mmadu okara mmụọ. Eze ndị mmadụ na ndị mmụọ. Ayo. Mmụọ na mmadụ na-atụgo egwu dike tete.
Neri, bueno. Vienu. Queseno. Watana Yeze. On behalf of the elders, I want to sincerely thank you for honoring our invitation in this meeting. Once again, I say thank you.
You are welcome.
You see, your act of kindness in Ingri has truly made us to understand that you are a philanthropist. You have healed the poor by making them rich. Okwanya?
Exactly.
And the elders of Omodana has unanimously agreed to pay you back your kindness. But before I let the cat out of the bag, let me tell you something about faith. Faith is that mysterious presence found in every being that encounters. What am I using? It encounters serious undertaking. It appears as whatever limits, restricts, or even imprisons us. Yet, it is the same territory that every one of us seated here will always want to go to if we really want to awaken our inner destiny. Okwanya? Kwenu?
Yeah.
Lienu?
Yeah.
Nono?
Yeah.
You are right. You know.
Watanareze, you have been fated to take the mantle of kingship of Unri. Because our king has taken the journey of no return. And we, the elders, have unanimously invited you to come and take the kingship unopposed. Okwanya?
Ananri kwenu.
Yeah.
Ananri kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezuono. Indeed, it's an honor. Believe me, I cannot find the right words to express exactly how I feel. But I am honored. Yes, I am honored. It is a thing of joy and immense pride to be seen worthy to become the next king of this great kingdom. As you all know, Watana Yoeze is a businessman, a philanthropist, yes, but at the same time, I don't just spend my money alone. I use my money to help my people, develop our community. And today I am happy that the things I have done for our people are being appreciated, and I am being rewarded. Ndibo, sina okwagonye nwata n'aka adelebuya. So, this mantle of leadership that you all have given to me, I accept it with pride. Also, I would like to know the requirements.
Oh, Nyama. Very interesting.
First and foremost, what I know is you have to relocate completely down to the village. Thereafter, you will be given the list of what is required for the coronation.
Bam.
I see. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! Nekwa nnukwu mmanwụ na Nigerian. Hey! Arụ dị n'agụ nwoke. Ọkọdọgwu nwata na ya eze na Nandi. Okwu ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Eze ndị mmadụ na ndị mmụọ. Ayo! Mmụọ na mmadụ na-atụ gị egwu dịka etete. Hey yo! Yo! Ọ bụ onye ya ekwu okwu ma ikwusi ya, ọ bụ onye lụ ụtọ ọfụ n'anya mmanwụ oyi. Gbuo dike mana mbọsị ọgụ achọba dike achọbane. Eze nri dike arụ obi na godogwu oyi. Iyo
Afọ. Nkwọ. I hereby coronate you as Igweri the second. Cha kwenu! Rienu! Watana Yueze. Your coronation is done. In 7 days from today, your fonri will be brought as a symbol of your leadership. Okwanya?
Yeah.
Rienu!
Yeah.
Wono!
Yeah.
Medano! Igwe!
Today is a beautiful day. Very beautiful day. I see excitement on your faces. You have a new king now. It's a beautiful day. Oh no. First, I want to thank all of you for your support and contribution towards my coronation. May the gods of our land bless all of you. Good things have been happening since then. Oh, my friends from all over the world have been calling. In fact, this morning, the state governor of our state, is my very good friend. He called me. Yes, he sent in congratulatory message. And then he promised to be here in 2 weeks' time to celebrate with all of us. So make sure you are here. If you miss out.
Igwe nwata na Yueze. Arobinago nke izizi na nri kingdom.
Odogwu.
The daughter said to the wife, even if you are not pregnant, but the spit in your mouth has shown me convention. Ndị Igbo wee na-asị na mmiri aka nwaanyị bunyere di ya ka eji amụkwa n'ụtọ nri. Our king has started well. Let us put our hands together for our king. Because to go to the Igwe. The visit of the governor to our Anari is a good omen.
Yes, thank you. Anari kwenu.
Yeah.
Anari kwenu.
Yeah.
Umudiana kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezuono. Aha. Agogo moji ototo. So you are free. Eat cola nuts and drink. Be happy. Elders,
Igwe.
today is the 7th day. I was expecting you to come with Ofonri, my offer.
Your Majesty, the offer of Uri Kingdom will be brought to this palace tonight. Okwanya?
Tonight.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Why tonight?
Yes, my king. It is tradition. The offer of Runde cannot be brought to this palace in the broad daylight.
Yes. The offer is sacred. Nobody sees it. Apart from you, the king, the mere virgin boy that will carry it, and the members of this cabinet. That is why it mainly done at night.
My king, there's no need for you to worry. For sure, the offer must come into this palace tonight. But one thing, you are not expected to see it. Tomorrow morning, lead it to where the offer is. You will see it. Very simple.
Exactly, my king. That is the way it's been done traditionally. Well, as for what Okweme said, do not worry yourself. Everything will be unveiled as the tradition demands.
You all know me. Watana Yoeze is a man of very few words. Let tonight be tonight. Something happened this morning. I went to see the offer as tradition demands. The moment I opened the door, the offer disappeared.
What? Hello.
Abomination.
What is going on? Where are you all going to? Oh no.
Hello. Your Majesty.
Talk to me. Why are they leaving?
Your Majesty, the disappearance of the offer of Enrique is a bad omen. It means you are not qualified to take the throne. I am sorry. Your Majesty, I am very, very sorry.
What do you see?
My king, the gods of the kingdom said you would not take the throne.
Why?
They said your hands are filled with so much blood.
Ikogu and Ezo. Ike. You're welcome. Ike, good to see you. You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
I sent for both of you because I've heard a lot about you. Your spiritual prowess speak volume. I need your help.
Ezen, fear not. We can feel it. The offendry is not with you. Do not worry. We will make a formidable replacement for you. A dead person's tongue and jaw will be used to make a stronger coffer for you. And the spirit of the person used in making the coffer will be guiding the coffer. The spirit will possess the offer, and whatever you wish shall come to pass.
A dead person's tongue and jaw. Are you sure it will work?
Try and see.
All right. How do I get the requirements?
Send your boys to a cemetery. We will give you something that you will use to indicate the right person when they get there.
Consider it done.
Ezen! The offer is active now. Speak whatever you want, and it shall come to pass.
Whatever I want.
Ezen! What you are holding in your hand is Okofor. It is very powerful and sacred. Speak to it and hit it on the ground. Then you see things happen. If you want this house to collapse, speak to it and hit it on the ground. And see this house collapse immediately. But do not forget that whatever the Okofor demands as a sacrifice, you will give to it.
I see. And what will it demand?
It will be demanding a blood sacrifice of a fowl. As far as you feed it with it, it will always work for you.
Good. Good. Consider it done.
Remember, the offer should be taken to your secret room. Whenever you want to make use of it, go in there and pick it. Listen, I will be now go.
Okodogu nwata na ya eze na nri. Okwu ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ, eze ndị mmadụ na ndị mmụọ. Ayo. Mmụọ na mmadụ na-atụ gị egwu dịka etete. Hey yo. Iyo koko yo. Ọ bụ onye ya ekwu okwu ma ikwusi ya, ọkwa onye lụ ụka ọfụ n'anya mmanwụ oyi. Gbuo dike mana mbọsị ọgụ achọba dike achọbanụ. Eze nri dike arụ.
I brought you all here for two reasons. First, I have always believed that the kingship in Ananri should never be rotational. Never. So, with the power bestowed on me as Ezenri II, I hereby abolish that law that states that kingship in Aranri will be rotational.
What?
Oh no. That's the agreement there. It is written, and by signing it, it means you agree to it that kingship will no longer be rotational. In Nriland, it will remain in my family. Ono will sign it now.
I am sorry. I cannot sign this. And I will not be party to this.
Do you want to die?
I cannot die. I cannot die. I will not sign this.
Right in my presence, you disobey me. Then die. Jericho, move this trash out.
Hey!
Immediately.
Hey!
Sure. Oh!
Hey!
Ekweme, tidy this place up.
It's not.
Now. Pick up the agreement. Then, Ekweme, you are the Onowu of this land. you accept it or not?
My honor, my king.
Then sign the agreement. And so we proceed. Secondly, the vast land on Agwemena Road between New Heaven Boys and Agwefuna Girls Secondary School is a very big land. It now belongs to me. You want to object?
No, my king.
Please.
No objection.
Can I ask?
You cannot ask.
Thank you, my king. Thank you.
Oh, no. Do you have any objection?
Some time ago, gold was found on that land. So, soon, expatriates will come and start mining the gold, and the proceeds from there will go to me, Ezenri. Any objections?
No. No. All right. Everything you said is okay by us.
Today's meeting is over. File out, all of you.
But how did he get the offer?
That is charm, not offer. But as a king, the only offer that will be effective for him is the traditional offer. Obviously, that is not it.
So Ibekwe is gone just like that.
Right.
Ibekwe is gone. See, we all have to be very careful. Yes, because I don't trust that man. He is a chameleon. He can kill at any time. Please, we should be very careful about him.
I don't know what I'm thinking about this. I am confused. Why the sudden change? That's the problem. Why?
I noticed it in his eyes when he was insisting the offer of the kingdom be revealed to him. Yes, I saw it clearly when he was disappointed.
My fellow elders, if there is anything we can do, let us do it as soon as possible before it grows wings. That can be difficult for us to handle.
Honestly, what exactly do you think we can do at this point? Because as it is now, I have lost it. I have lost my senses. I cannot think straight anymore. Honestly, this brain is no longer working.
Wike, don't lose it. I suggest we consult Ezenmo first. So whatever Ezenmo said, we will stand there.
I agree with your suggestion, but I have another suggestion. Crying to the people of your kingdom. I am of the opinion that we cry directly to the people of your kingdom before it's too late.
Tufiakwa.
For why?
Tufiakwa.
Mahagane.
am your Ofo Eze, the spirit in your Ofo.
Spirits in my Ofo. So, what are you doing here?
I am thirsty for blood. The sacrifices you were told of. It's time for them. What are you waiting for?
The deity of Unri Kingdom. What an ayes and no kaja. Aye, yo, Nessie Odogun. Okaramu, Metum. Arobina Godogway. Yo, the oracle of Unri Kingdom. The arrow, Binago. Yeah. Okwando obodo na-atụ ya ụjọ, mmụọ na mmadụ na-atụ ya egwu. Ọ bụ onye rụ ụkọ fụ n'anya rio, agbanwe dị ka isi agbara anya. Ayo, emekọtasị na mmadụ ana, ị mara dike bụ dike. The deity of Unri Kingdom.
Greetings, Ezen.
How are you?
I'm fine. Okay.
Yes, you are a true son of this land.
Thank you, my king.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You know, I saw a mansion along Market Road. I asked and they told me it belongs to you.
Yes, my king. I decided to put up that small house. Yes.
Good job. I am proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Worthy son of this land. I like the building.
Wow. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you.
It belongs to me now.
What?
You
My
heard
king?
me. Henry does not repeat himself.
But my king, I have put in tons of millions of naira in that building. I cannot just afford to lose it.
Leave my presence now. I must commend both of you. The Ofo is very powerful. Yes. Its energy is quite high.
Ezenri, what you have in your house, Okibobo. As far as you feed her with whatever she demands, you will be seen the effect positively.
I like that. And I tell you, nothing will stop me from doing that as long as I live.
Ezenri, like we said before, you are capable of pulling this house down with it. Just make your wish and it shall come to pass.
you.
What you have is okay, Bobo.
God, is this how royalty is? What? This is unbelievable. God of our land.
Yesterday, the entire palace was in chaos, especially the maids' quarters. The spirit of the Ofo was disturbing everybody. I couldn't do anything about it because I knew what was going on and I knew the cause.
Okofo, the energy is too high.
I agree. The energy is too high. So, let us tame the energy. Cut it down. I wouldn't want the source of my powers to be exposed, especially not to the elders.
Ezendri, what you have in your house, Buoki Bobo, Buokogu. So there is absolutely nothing you can do to tame it down, as you said.
I do not understand. The Ofo is supposed to be working for me. What do you mean I cannot tame it? I cannot hold it down. Why?
Ezendri, I want to let you know that what you have inside your house is a very big energy. But don't worry, it is not going to be steady. In a short while, it will calm down. I assure you that.
The deity of Unri Kingdom. Mata na yese no kajara kaja. Aye, dio. Mesie odogun. Okaramu. Metum. Arobina godo.
This woman, what do you want again? Why are you here?
I am thirsty for blood.
What do you mean you are thirsty for blood? I just gave you blood a few days ago. What are you doing here again?
Watana Yueze, it's not in your place to question me. Just perform the ritual sacrifices or there will be consequences.
There will be no consequences, woman. You do not threaten me. I am the king of this land. Ezendri, I fear nothing. See, we need to work this out, okay? Give me a specific day and time for your sacrifice. You don't just appear to me anytime you like and be making stupid demands.
I am thirsty for blood. Watana Yeze, give me blood.
What is going on? Could it be that my husband killed someone before he was coronated? If not, why is he not at peace? To talk to someone invisible, behave strange. Like, I don't really get. Should I confront him? Nah. I'm not ready for his embarrassment right now.
Christopher, right?
Yes, my king.
What was the last thing I told you?
You said I should stop work.
And what did you do?
I continued.
Why?
Because I can't afford to lose the house.
Really? But you can afford to disobey me, your king, Ezenri. Simply means you are not afraid of me. Simply means you want to die. So shall it be.
yeah. Haro, Binago. The deity of the kingdom. What an yes and no kaja. Aye, yo. Nesie odogun. Okaramu. Metum. Haro Binago dogboy. Yo. The oracle of the kingdom, the arrow, Binago, yeah. Okwando budi na tuyoja, mwana mmadụ na tuyegu.
Wike, you are not eating.
My king, please. I want to plead for the release of Aaron's son. Please, release him for us.
So if I will not release him, you will not eat my food.
No, I never said so, my king.
Then eat. So, if I understand you all, you are here to plead on behalf of Aaron's son.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
Robert, that's it. I see. Same boy who led a protest to my palace, insulting me, Ezenri. Simply means you all endorse such stupid behavior.
No, we never did.
My king, we are not aware.
My king, as a matter of fact, we are not aware. They have concluded everything concerning the protest. So, we are on the know. Honestly.
I see. What's the boy's name again? Robert. That is Robert you people are eating.
What? I don't matter.
Call me Ezen.
What are you, sir? It will never be well with you. Okay, I dare again for doing this to me.
Go! Oh, pardon. That man is evil. Hey! He has a black heart. Will I ever eat meat in this life? Just get it for me. I can never try it again. Now wait for me now. Who carries who? Chumo.
What is it?
Oh, nothing. How are you?
Getting better.
I told you she will be better in 2 days, didn't I?
Yes, you. Excuse me. What were you doing with my wife moments ago?
I need to quench my thirst.
Will my wife help you quench your thirst? Huh?
Do not be harsh on me.
Of course I will be harsh on you, woman. I will be harsh on you because I no longer understand what is going on. I go here, you follow me. I go there, you follow me. Why?
I need a cow to quench my thirst.
A cow. Yeah. A cow. No chichi tunubua. You are getting me angry, woman. This wasn't the arrangement. I was told I'll be giving you blood of chickens, of fowls. So why a cow now? Why?
It is not my fault.
Is it my fault? I'm asking you. Is it my fault or the fault of the brothers who brought you to me? Answer me! Let us sort this thing out once and for all! Both of you know me very well. Ezenri is a man who does not forgive. Because of that, I do not like it when people hurt me. When you hurt me, you make me angry. And when I'm angry, people die. I believe both of you are trying to hurt me. I do not know why.
How possible could that be, Ezenri? Because there's no way my brother and I will hurt you, in as much we are doing business. We have come a long way. Where is this coming from?
We had an agreement When both of you gave me the offer,
did we have agreement?
yes, we had an agreement. You told me that the offer will only feed on chickens, fowls.
Yes, that was what we said.
So what is going on now? Answer me. From chicken to goats, goats to cow. What is actually going on, both of you?
Henry, you should always know that what you have in your home is uncalled for. And as uncalled for...
Spare me that rubbish! Both of you are lying to me. I am not a child. I am Henry. Spare me that nonsense. This is not what I bargained for.
Henry, calm down. You are a big oracle. And a big oracle. We wouldn't have made many offers for you that would disappoint you when you needed it.
Gods of our land, I know you will never forsake me. No. Gods of our kingdom, no.
There's a more. What are you doing in my compound?
Henry, ejira bonketa ekwekwe. Ihe eji ma ndị dị ndụ na ndị nwụrụ anwụ bụ n'ụzọ kerefa. Henry, the elders reported you to me. All the atrocities you are committing in this land. Henry, our land is bleeding. The elders are in my shrine right now because of your atrocities.
Let the land bleed. Do you hear me? I said, let the land bleed. Same land that rejected me. I see you have no idea whose compound you came into. You have no idea who I am, Esemwo. Today, you shall die. Coward, that is what you are. You should have stayed back. Coward! God. Yeah. The elders are in Esemwo shrine. Go there, round them up, arrest them, and bring them here.
Yes, my king. Oh no! Step aside. Step aside!
Carry your property and give way before you join my forefathers. Fast!
But what is it now? What have we done to deserve this?
Hey! On the order of the king, we are asked to kill you.
No, please don't kill us.
The John!
Please, don't kill us.
Yes. Yes.
My king, what is going on? You are no longer the man I used to know. That same man that deflowered me. That same man that got married to me and promised me everlasting love. That same man I call the crown upon my head. The man I call my king. Where is my husband? I need my husband back. I need my crown back. Please.
I am still the same man. Nothing changed. This isn't what should be bothering you.
What should I be bothered about?
Your medical condition. You think I'm happy? You think I'm happy knowing that my wife cannot conceive for me anymore?
My king, please. Please. Do not shy away from the bone of contention here. Yeah, people are complaining. The people of Hungary are wailing. No one is talking good about you anymore, including those in this palace.
Death awaits them. Anyone found gossiping with my name will face death.
The deity of Hungry Kingdom. What an ayes and okajara kaja. Aye, yo, Nesie Odogun. Okaramma Okaramu. Metomado Metomo. Arobina Godoboy. Yo, the oracle of Hungry Kingdom. The arrow.
Who are you? Who could that be? We need to do consultation.
Greetings, my king. Ndobia, none. You are highly welcomed.
Ekweme,
My king.
what do you know about Ugwodo, the oracle of Alanri?
My king, what exactly do you want to know about Ugwodo?
What does Ugwodo look like?
Oh, according to story told by forefathers, they say it's a male dwarf deity.
I knew it. Immediately I saw him, I know he is a deity.
You saw him?
Ekweme, leave. I am done with you.
So is that why you called us Henry?
How dare you? How dare you question me? Have you gone nuts? I told you the offer you gave to me is disturbing me and disturbing the entire palace. First it asked for a hen, and then it asked for the blood of a goat and then cow. Now it's asking for a black dog and you sit here and question me.
Henry, Arubinago, calm down. There is no cause for alarm. We assured you we are going to go back and then do some consultation, then get back to you.
This man will never come out of this, I swear.
This protest is so deadly. How I wish it works according to the tradition.
What do you mean according to tradition?
During the time of our forefathers, anyone this type of deadly protest has been done on his or her behalf don't normally survive it. But you know nowadays, so many things has an antidote of it.
You see that thing? It is very, very effective. But you see our king, nothing will happen to him. Let's bet.
I believe you.
That man is an oracle, a deity on his own. But this naked demonstration will definitely affect him in one way or the other, believe me.
If not that the ways of the gods are not the ways of men, I would say, what are the gods waiting for?
If you're talking about the gods, Neputabao, he has no gods.
What's your mad, Gloria? How could you say such?
Are you new in this palace? Haven't you seen that the shrine of Nri has been relocated to the palace? Where have you seen such before?
But wait though, does it mean that no one can say anything in Nri again or what? Even the rich men in diaspora?
If you are the one in diaspora, will you come back to fight Watana Yeze? You know he will definitely win you and kill you.
When you talk Oratona Oboda, it's only the gods of our land that can save us.
Let us just be prayerful. With what Nri girls did today, very soon there will be changes in our land.
Same.
Who are you?
My king, my name is Amara, late Mazibigwe's daughter.
Oh, really?
Yes, my king.
Lady Bekwe's daughter. You led a protest against me.
Yes, my king.
Like father, like daughter. And what was the protest for?
My king, it was to express our grievances.
Your grievances? Over what? Have I not been treating you all my subjects well?
I'm afraid, my king, but you have not.
I have not been treating you well. Stop there. Today, I shall treat you very well. In my bedroom. Go upstairs and wait for me.
My king.
If you make me repeat myself, I'll cut off your head. When you go up, first room on your left. Go there, undress, and wait for me.
Yes, Henry. We have done the consultation and we have come with the solution to your problem.
What is the solution?
A very powerful deity will be brought into this palace. And once that is done, the excessive demands and the troubles of affairs will be reduced.
Are you sure that will work?
Yes. And this shrine should be inside a room where no rain or sun will beat it.
That will not be a problem. I have rooms here. Empty rooms. Once again, are you sure it will work?
Yes, Henry. Why don't you try and see? Yes, Henry. The shrine we told you about will be the most powerful shrine in Ingrid or outside Ingrid. A virgin girl is needed to make it. Yes, Henry. In addition to what my brother said, a virgin girl is needed for it to be effective. And she must be provided before sunrise. You have to calm down. Calm down.
Yes, Henry. She is exactly what we need.
Confirm, huh?
Confirm virgin.
Anything else?
Nothing.
Hmm?
We need to proceed now.
Attack. Instruct everyone. Nobody should be seen outside after midnight. What are you doing here? Haven't I settled you?
I am not your enemy. You are nothing without me. So you should be glad that I'm here with you.
What do you want?
Nothing. Just to let you know that your blood sacrifice was accepted.
Eze nri nwoke ike. Mmụọ ka ibe ya. Alụsị mmiri. Odogwu m ji eme ọnụ. Agụ na-eche mba m. Agụ m. Agụ m. Ntụ ọnụ ga-eza m no. I have been waiting patiently to break the good news. Just for only your ear. As the first thing your ear will hear this morning.
Good news.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go ahead. My ears are itching to hear.
Your Lolo is weeks gone.
Wow. You're pregnant.
Yes, I am pregnant. I'm carrying a child.
Sit with me. May the gods be praised.
See.
May the gods of Alanri be praised.
See.
And may the gods of Alanri and Arobinago protect and bless the heir apparent to the throne.
See.
I need human sacrifice. An unborn child of 3 weeks old.
How does that concern me? Go out there and get whatever human sacrifice you want. It's not my business.
I will sort myself out in your own household.
Excuse me. My household? What do you mean?
Your wife is 3 weeks pregnant. She not?
Nanya, this woman, listen to me. Can you hear me? Don't try it. I will not sacrifice my unborn child. Never! I am done with this nonsense. No more! Can you hear me? I said no more! I'm done with this rubbish. Take your offer and deity and get out of my palace now!
Henry, what is happening?
Are you asking me? Are you asking me what is happening as if you do not know? Your offer is demanding the blood of my unborn child. What rubbish? Was that our agreement? I'm asking both of you, was that our agreement? What did you tell me when you sat here? What did you tell me? You said the offer will be demanding the blood of chickens. So what is happening? I am asking you, what is happening? From chicken to goat, goat to cow, cow to black dog to the blood of a virgin, now the blood of my unborn child. Nanya, I am not a child. I'm not the kind of person you can scam and go scot-free. This is an absolute scam. You cannot scam me. Take your offer and your deity out of my compound before I behead somebody now.
You have to calm down. Be calm. This has never happened. It is a big slap to our face. You have to be calm. Ndị banyị si na alụsị kpakarịa ike akọwalị ya osisi ejiri nwee pịa ya. Mba ọ kwụrụ adị akara onye kwụrụ ya. Be calm, Henry. We will take the offer out of the palace. But it will not be today.
Why?
Makana tata boye. No hand touches the offer. If any hand touches the offer, there will be death in this palace. We go and return on Eke 2 days from now.
So much bloodshed, so much killing on the quest of power and might. So much commitment, now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday, where do you
Matana Ayeze, I am the one that made your wife conceive after several years of barrenness. Have you thought of that? Or you think it's just a miracle? I did that to make her the source of my human sacrifice. She remains that source and cannot be changed.
Where do you start to fix him?
I wish to ask, is it that the present situation is not affecting you, or you are just pretending? I just lost a child. There is nothing you are saying or doing about it.
What do you expect me to do?
What do I expect you to do? Okay. I want to go to the hospital. I need to know exactly what is wrong with me.
Nothing is wrong with you. These things happen. The first time you talked about going to the hospital, what did I tell you?
You said I shouldn't go to the hospital. You said I shouldn't go. But I can't be like this. I can't continue like this. I just lost a child. And you want me to keep quiet and sit down in this house?
The child is gone. It's gone. Even if you go to 50 hospitals, they cannot bring back that child. Child is gone. So relax. Be calm. The child that will stay will definitely come.
I do not want to believe my instinct.
You are free to believe whatever you want to believe. Just let me be. Why are they not here? Today is a market day. Why are the brothers not here? Switched off. Their phones are switched off.
Kama is real.
Kama is being my sister. If I was told that Ezenri would be in this kind of situation, I would say it in now.
Indeed, nothing lasts forever.
My sister, nothing lasts forever.
Nothing lasts forever, my sister.
My problem is the wife and not him. Because an adage says, he who fetches an ant-infected firewood should be ready for the lizard visit.
Bam. If not, that woman is too innocent to be part of this mess.
To be honest with you, I feel for her.
I feel for her, my sisters. May the gods of our land give her the courage to bear all these miscarriages.
Foolish brothers. Bastards, that's what you are. You think I don't know? You think I do not know that this whole nonsense is a scam? What did you tell me? You said you'll be back here in 3 days. On Eke Market Day, you'll be here to take the rubbish or 4 deity you kept in my palace. What happened? You disappeared and you put off your phones. If you do not want me to decapitate both of you this minute, go and take the nonsense you kept in my palace and leave while you still can.
Ezenri, have you ever seen a great king without difficulties?
Nonsense are you talking about?
Ezenri, the attribute of a great man is his refusal to accept despair.
I see both of you think I'm joking. I'm going to count to 3. At the end of 3, you are still here. Both of you will be dead. 1, 2, 3.
Ezenri, for your information, the Ofo will do well with you forever. Ezenri, Eligogi. Nwanne onye akpara ọpụ akpọ onye ọzọ. Onye elili. Eligia.
Onye kunuli. Give me this thing, my friend. Onye kunuli.
Onye elili Eligia.
Come back here, you cowards. Come back here. Foolish brothers. Onye kunuli. Huh? Onye kunuli. Amandimum. Can you hear me? Or what are you doing? Come out here. Why are you running? Why are you running? Come out and face me. I am Ezenri. I can never be defeated. Come out. Cowards. Cowards! Where are you? Come out! The throne of Uri belongs to me. Nobody can take it away from me. Nobody! Come out if you want to fight me. Come out!
I greet you, my husband.
On the quest of power, so much commitment. Now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday. Where do you stand?
My husband. Arobinagum. Igwenri the second. Agune Chembam. Udogum. I am worried about you. I am scared about the way things are going in this palace. You no longer sleep. You are no longer at peace. I'm your wife. And I'm here to ask you, please, what is going on?
So much bloodshed, so much killing. On the quest of power.
Nothing is going on. Do not bother yourself, woman. Your husband, Watana Ezenri the second, is a well-packaged man. Very well packaged.
Where do you start to fix and bring?
Yeah, this girl, what is it? Why you want to say the entire palace is on fire?
Is it not better that the entire palace is on fire than these strange things that is happening around here?
Strange things? What strange things are you talking about?
Are you not hearing the strange noise that has been disturbing the entire palace?
Strange noise?
Yes. It's as if there is this unseen strange force that is moving around the palace, wreaking havoc.
Wait. Did you hear that?
No word exactly.
I just heard a strange sound again.
Seriously?
Ezenri the second, Arobinago, one-man squad. I will never ever give up. Never. I will rule the kingdom, whether the gods like it or not.
What should I do now? What should I do? Should I run away? God, Igwe that I know will never accept defeat. Gods of our land, please do not forsake me at this point, please. Please. This is not the life I planned with Igwe. Please come to my aid.
This old woman. Haven't I warned you? Huh? I have warned you. I do not want to see you in my palace anymore. I have nothing to do with you, old woman. Leave my palace. Go and join the people who brought you here. I have no business with you. If you do not leave my palace, believe me, I will kill you a second time.
I will go nowhere. I am your Ofo-Eze, and I'm here to stay. I will stay with you forever.
Stay with who forever? I see you are mad, this woman. I see you are mad. You have no idea who you are messing with. Huh? You want me to go this?
What Eze? Are you aware that Ofonri is here? And it is disturbing me. Do whatever it's within your powers to remove it here. You will continue to give me blood. What Eze? You will continue to give me blood. Yes, you will continue to give me blood. Watana Yeze, your wars have just started. Your wars have just started.
Watana Yeze. Watana Yeze. Watana Yeze. The voice you are hearing is the voice of our family, the ancient ancestral spirit that guides the throne, the ancient throne of the kingdom. I know that you have been aching and longing to see, but you cannot, because you are not worthy to sit on the throne of the kingdom as a king. Stop parading yourself as the king of the kingdom. Stop parading yourself, Watana Yeze. Stop your reign of terror on my people, else your end will be very disastrous.
I don't want to be angry. Send Ofondri out of this palace. I told you I will not share my abode with another. You are the king. Ofondri was brought here because of you. Take Ofondri out of this palace. Watana Yeze, I am thirsty of blood. I am thirsty of blood. I am thirsty of blood. Watana Yeze, I am thirsty of blood.
So much killing on the quest of power. So much commitment. Now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday. Where do you stand to make amends and react? Look what you've done to the kingdom.
What is it? What is it?
I see a ghost.
Ghost.
It's a ghost.
Ghost
She appeared in my room. She appeared in my room. I saw her.
A ghost.
A ghost.
There's no ghost here. What is it? What is it?
She's here. The ghost is here.
There's nobody here.
There's a ghost here.
I cannot see any. Easy. There's no ghost.
My king,
Easy. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay. You have nothing to worry about that. I am no longer finding this rubbish funny. I have to take the bull by the horn. I am Ezenri. Watana Yeze. Nobody messes with me. Nobody holds me to ransom. I will deal with this my own way.
buedike. Ucholo kwa tuwadike. Hoi! I can feel it. Yes, I can feel it. Negative energy everywhere around this palace. Yes. The depth of the sea cannot be seen by my eyes. What an eye is it? Unfortunately, the spiritual turbulence that has engulfed your palace was unconsciously created by you. But when a strong hand buries a charm, a stronger hand will unbury the same charm. What other is it? I am here to put an end to the unrest that has affected your palace.
So what do we do?
Those twins, they are your enemies. It is only their end that will bring peace and respite to you. But do not worry, because I will fortify you. The next time you set your eyes on them will be their end. Makanasi no jipe wata wenya kenu. Akamubia mtuwe wate walivia. Makana mbosiogo. Achobadike. Oya meleji si buedike. Mbosiogo achobadike. Makana yebuedike no aguno. Mbosiogo achobadike. I will fortify you, Watana Yeze. Stretch forth your hands. Let's go and let's look at you then after turning the gun. I can even hang your body via all the name. Nyamelo na asina plot of GG. Bilutu ana mubutia. Awoke ni biara no kuano. Yes, Matana Yeze, you have been fortified. You have the power to put an end to your woes now.
Thank you.
I have seen your frantic effort with Ezogo and Dikogo to get me out of this palace. That is not possible. Be warned. You are nothing without me. I am everything you are. Watch it. I am here to stay and none can take me out.
What is happening in this palace?
My sister, I don't know. And all I can feel is that all is now alright.
Wait though, is it not obvious that something evil is happening here? I'm beginning to think of running away because I cannot stay here for something bad to happen to me.
Running away? Do you think that would be very easy?
My sister.
Hey, it might not be easy, but it's better I try and get caught in the process than die here for what I don't know anything about.
Yeah, I'm confused, right? Yeah, I'm confused.
I'm scared already.
Everything.
I'm so scared.
It is said that evil men do lives after them. But Ezenri is living with his own now.
Karma will not fail, no matter what happens. It must take its course.
But I pity the queen. She has seen hell in that marriage.
What is she still doing there? If she's not in support of what Ezenri is doing.
I'm not sure she's in support of it. I'm not sure, but...
Then let her leave. Let her go. If she's not in support.
It is not easy. Lolo is not just an ordinary woman who will just wake up and leave her marriage like that.
Ezenri, heartless king.
He is a carnivorous animal in human form. But thanks to the gods that he is paying for his atrocities.
Ezenri, heartless king.
You will suffer, you will die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye oke ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, onye ajọ ọgwụ. Nwata na-ayọ eze, you will suffer till you die.
I want to live here.
Me, I want to go. I don't want to work again. I'm tired.
Are you going to sleep away or you tell the king?
Tell the king? Oh no, I'll just run out of the palace.
If you are caught, you are gone. I hope you know that.
Is it not better she is caught and face the punishment than to stay here and die in fear.
I don't want this advice. I did not tell you guys for the advice. My queen, after the voices that were calling Ezenri, we went back to our quarters and a man appeared to us there.
A man?
Yes, he just appeared.
My queen, I'm afraid.
Even me too, my friend. I don't want to die.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Nothing will happen to any one of you. I will make sure of that. But please, pray for the king. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You may go back to your duties now.
Okay, my queen.
The deity of Unri Kingdom. Mata na yese no kajara kaja. Aye, dio. Nesie odogun. Okaram mado okaramu. Mecho mado mecho mo. Arobina godogwo yo. Yo. The oracle of Unri Kingdom. The arrow. Binago, yeah. Okwando obodo na-atụ ya ụjọ, mụọ na mmadụ na-atụ ya egwu. Ọ bụ onye rụ ụka ọfụ n'anya
What are you doing here? I'm asking you, you fools, what are you doing here? You are all dead. Dead. I killed you. I killed you and I did it proudly. Because you were all stupid. You should go back to the land of the dead and rest. Stop disturbing me. Stop moving around like market women. Go and rest. Go and rest.
We will not rest until we have destroyed you.
I am Ezenri. I can never be destroyed.
You will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer till you die.
You will suffer till you die.
You all are already suffering because you are already dead. Get out of my palace. Fools. You think you can scare me? Impossible. I am Ezenri. I can never be defeated by anybody, mortal or spirit. Never!
Gloria, where are you going with your bag?
I told you guys I'm going to leave the palace and I'm doing that now.
Gloria, are you aware that the king is around?
Yes, I know. And I'm ready to face any punishment if I'm caught.
Why not calm down? Let's take a close look at the king. Once he steps out, he'll run away.
That's a good idea though. But if we run away now, where are we running to? You know the king might send his thugs to come to our various homes to bring us back.
Meso, please. Don't discourage us. Let us run first and wait for his action.
Mesoma, as I'm leaving the palace, I'm going straight to the city. And I'm not going to stay in this kingdom and continue suffering with you.
Madam, if you like, run to Jerusalem. If the king wants you back, just a phone call, you are back to him. Hope you know that.
Exactly. Can you talk about it?
We are trapped here. No going back and no going forward. Maybe we should listen to Ngozi's suggestion. Anytime the king steps out, all of us will run away.
Yes, you're right.
You are right though.
The gentle stride of the lioness has been taken for granted. I can bring down this palace and turn it to a desert in a twinkle of an eye. But then, something holds me back. I have decided to rule this kingdom of Nri forever. And so it shall be. Nothing can stop it.
Ago, you go up one at Jerome. What do you think?
You think so?
No, I was so sick as you on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I know.
Nah.
I know.
Pius. What's going on here? Where are my maidens and the guards?
My queen, I don't know. When I wake up this morning, I found no one.
It's fine. You may return to your course. Everybody's gone. Everyone. The palace is empty now. I can't live like this. No. I can't live like this. This is not the life I wished for. Take his time. It's time. It's right time. I end it.
What do you think you are doing, woman?
No. I'm tired. I want to die. I can't live like this. Can't you see? Everyone is gone. Including your security. We are all alone in this palace right now.
Let them leave.
My king. My king. I can't live like this. I can't live like this.
Let them leave.
This is not the life you promised me.
Anybody who wants to leave, both of of us will be fine. No matter what happens, I am Igwenri, Ezenri II. And you are my queen. Stays that way.
With the way things can't go for this house, me self no understand again. Every day by day, person go dey live inside house with fear. No rest of mind, no peace of mind. From one strange human being to another. It don't reach time for me to run comot for this house.
Shut up!
Two bastards. So you have come here again. You think you can scam Ezenri and go scot-free? It will never happen. Today will be your last day on Earth.
Ezenri! Stop wasting your energy. Your time has come. Ezenri! The things of the spirit is different from the things of man. The souls of the innocent men and women you killed are haunting you. Your cabinet members, they are at your doorpost, invoking your soul to join your ancestors. 3 days from now, the spirit of Obunabane, the spirit of death, will visit you. Get yourself ready, Ezenri.
So much killing on the quest of power and might. So much commitment, now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday, where do you start to make amends? Ezenri, look what you've done to the kingdom and to yourself. Hey, where do you start to fix and
McKinney, you called me.
Sit down. It's all my fault. I should have let go. When the throne rejected me, I should have let go. I was already doing very well for myself. Businessman, philanthropist. So much money to my name. I had so much wealth. I'd already secured myself, my future, the future of my family, and even generations unborn. I should have let go. Today, I have realized something. Adrasa is Azo. Yes. If you are not destined to be king, do not fight it. You are not destined to be king. I want to bless our unborn child. When he grows up, teach him to be a good man. Teach him to be an upright man. Teach him to always be content with what he has. Teach him never to fight for what does not belong to him. For true happiness lies in contentment.
Please, my king, our unborn child, we should teach him how to be content. Not just me. Why are you talking like someone that wants to leave me? Is everything okay?
I'm hungry. Get me something to eat.
I'll be waiting in
So much commitment, now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday, where do you start to make amends and relate? Look what you've done to the kingdom and to yourself. Hey, as and relate. Where do you start to fix and relate? As and relate.
Food is ready.
Look what you've done to the kingdom and to yourself. Hey, as and relate. Where do you
my king? God. What happened? My God! No, not now. My king. My king. My king. My king. Ah! Please wake up. Not like this. Not like this. No! No, don't do this now. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. Don't do this. My king! Ah!
much killing on the quest of power and might. So much commitment now it's coming back to you. All the pains of yesterday, where do you stand to make amend? Yes, and look what you've done to the kingdom and to yourself. Hey, yes, and where do you start to fix and relate? Yes, and look what you've done to the kingdom and to yourself. Hey, yes, and where do you start to fix and relate? So much bloodshed, so much killing on the quest of power and might. So much commitment